HT Trail is a great connecting trail in Sedona, Arizona. It connects you from Little Horse Trail to Templeton Trail. It goes under 2 highways with a tunnel, has a few technical rock gardens, and is just not your boring little connector trail. So today on Trail Preview Thursdays, I am previewing HT Trail, so that way you can decide if you want to ride it. I would rate HT Trail as a blue trail. There's not a lot to talk about this trail since it is a pretty short trail and it's just really a connector trail to get to more of the main destination trails. So I'll just speed through the overview and then get straight into the POV. I would say HT Trail is a blue trail. There is one little punchy climb on there. So after the Bell Rock Parkway, when you get onto HT Trail, you want to, when it crosses Easy Breezy, you want to make sure that you go to the right. It looks more like an animal trail than an actual trail, but it is HT Trail, and that's the trail you want to end up on. Otherwise, you'll end up somewhere where you don't want to be. If you enjoy mountain biking gear reviews, trail previews, and discovering new places to ride, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because we've got a ton more coming this year. So let's go ahead and drop into HT Trail so that way you know exactly what it looks like. So that is HT Trail in Sedona, Arizona. There's not a lot to talk about since it is a just short connecting trail, but it can be a lot of fun just for a connecting trail. It doesn't have to be fun, but it's pretty fun. If you're planning on riding Chuck Wagon or Mezcal Trail, I have trail previews on my channel for all those trails, so go ahead and check them out. If you want to see my full 3-day Sedona trip, go and check that out right there. Until next time, don't forget to go find your rep.